Taoiseach, back in 2017, the Criminal Law Sexual Offences Bill was brought in and enacted, ostensibly to give better protection to sex workers and victims of human trafficking. And to ensure that that protection became a reality, a statutory obligation to carry out a review was part of the Act. And that obligation came into effect 3 years after the operation of the Act, which was March 2020. Now here we are in 2023, 3.5 years later, not a sign of that review. I understand there were difficulties, but the independent expert that was appointed in July 2020. It's now 3.5 years later, or almost. There's no need to exaggerate because the facts are so damning of themselves. Where is that review? Has the person been appointed? When will the review be completed if we're seriously interested in protecting women?
Mr. McEntee.
Thank you, Deputy, for raising this issue. I know it's an area of importance to you. There were complications, and I've outlined them to you previously, where we had to take on a new person to conduct this particular review. That person is now not finishing that review. A body of work has been done. The competition has closed now, and I hope to appoint a newly appointed person to finalise the review and to conclude the review in the coming weeks. So a body of work has been done already. They won't be starting from scratch. That competition has closed, and it means that I will be in a position to appoint that new person very soon.